Hello, Barry Anderson here from Trade Ideas with the stock of the day, and today it is INMB. Why is this the stock of the day? Well, kind of interesting. It was an alert from the AI, but I always like to show. Sometimes people say, "Well, how come the AI alerted the same symbol twice?" Okay, well, two different strategies. All right, but look what happened here. We had an alert for the very first one at 10:16. And the entry price, if you wanted to take it right there, was 23.63. Let's just say, though, you missed it. You thought, man, I didn't get it. And look what happened. 10.41, obviously it popped up and it came right back down, did not get stopped out, okay, of that first trade. Gave you a second opportunity to get back into that or into the trade the first time. If you missed the first time, only 10 cents away. And I mean, it's up 4.5 or 4.7% on this one, 4.3% on this one. How you trade it will be up to you. But also remember, at one point this was up to $25. Okay, I mean it's at $24.84 now, but at one point it was up to $24.5. So you could have taken some out up here. So I just wanted to point that out. INMB, a couple of nice ones. The reason I don't point out Carve. It's a tremendous short. Issue is that maybe a lot of people would not have availability of shorts. I know Interactive Brokers didn't have shorts, E-Trade didn't have shorts. I'm not saying there's no brokerage platform out there, but that's why really, even though it's an awesome short, I would have loved to have, but my broker did not have shorts. So I thought I would just show you this one and the fact that sometimes the same symbol will be alerted twice, two different strategies from the AI. All right, everybody, that is it. Nice abbreviated week. I'm going to shut this down right here. So if you have any questions for me, you can use this email address. This is a link for the free room. I hope everybody has a great weekend, and I'll open the trading room Monday morning at 9 o'clock Eastern Time. So again, have a great weekend, everybody, and we'll see you then. Bye-bye.